Sense organs. We have 5 sense organs in our body. They are of sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. These senses are guided by the sense organs that are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. The sense organs and the brain work together and help us to know about our surroundings. Eyes. The eyes give us the sense of sight. They give us most of the information and knowledge about our surroundings. The eyes help us to distinguish various colors, sizes, brightness, and distance. Eyes are present below the forehead, in the eye sockets of the skull. They are covered with flap eyelids. The eyebrows present above the eyes and the eyelashes present on the eyelids protect the eyes from dust. The colored circle on the eye is called the iris. At the center of the iris is the pupil. Light passes through the pupil. Behind the pupil is the lens. The lens forms the images of the objects that we see. These images fall on the innermost part of the eye, called the retina. The retina has a sensory nerve, called the optic nerve, which is connected to the brain. The image formed on the retina is upside down. The optic nerve sends the signal to the brain, and the brain turns the image upright. Ears help us to hear. Each ear consists of 3 main parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The outer ear is like a funnel that collects sounds and passes them to the middle ear. The middle ear has a very thin sheet of skin called the eardrum. The sounds make the eardrum vibrate. These vibrations pass through the inner ear to the brain. The brain then enables us to hear the sounds. The inner ear also helps us to maintain our balance. Nose. Can you smell anything without the nose? The nose gives you the sense of smell. The walls of the nostrils have special sense cells which respond to the smell of a thing and create a smell message. The nose also has tiny hair and mucus which prevent the passage of dust and germs into the inner part of the nose. The message is sent to the brain by the nerves of the nose. The brain then enables us to know the smell of the thing. Tongue. Tongue helps us to speak and swallow. The surface of the tongue is covered with raised portion called taste buds. They help us to taste the food, whether it is sweet, sour, salty, or bitter. The taste buds at the tip of the tongue detect sweet tastes, and at the sides of the tongue detect salty or sour tastes. The taste buds at the back of the tongue detect bitter tastes. These buds contain a large number of tiny hairs that send messages to the brain via sensory nerves. This is how we detect taste. Skin. Skin is the largest sense organ of our body. Our body is covered with the skin. The skin gives us the sense of touch. When we touch something, the signal of touch goes to the brain through the nerves. The brain detects the signal and enables us to feel whether it is cold, hot, rough, or smooth.